How investment is secure in Dubai? Today I'm going to tell you this fact. Mainly, whenever a developer launches a project, he has to deposit 30% of the capital in a government account. Government opens a project escrow account, and when a developer submits 30% of that amount and the land itself, then government allows developer to advertise his project. All transactions which any buyer pays for the project, it goes directly into the government escrow project account. All transactions, including the property is on which owner's name, that can be checked anytime from DLD website. What is the project construction status, whether it is started, not started, when it is going to complete. All of the project construction phases can be monitored anytime from anyone from the government website. For any under construction project, the property paper from which the ownership is checked is called Uqud. So any person can check that whether Uqud is on his name or who is owner of this property. Why anyone should invest in Dubai? There are many reasons. I'm going to tell you few only. That most of it, none of the space in the whole world is that which offers this much high ROI. Why? Because Dubai is a land where tourists come from all over the world. And most of those land spaces, most of the localities in Dubai offer 8 to 10% ROI in long-term rental and 12 to 15% ROI in short-term rentals. Dubai is a paradise in the world which offers a lifestyle which has luxury, which have crime-free state security and tax-free personal earnings. And you can say that this is really heavens in the world. Whenever any investor or any any end user buys a property in Dubai on its initial phase, like it's just launched by the developer, till completion, which is a usual period of 3 to 3.5 years, it gets this capital appreciation of 20 to 25%. Like if you invested in a property until completion, its worth is going to increase by 25%. After that, when it will be handed over to you, there are many properties, there are many developers in Dubai which are offering post-handover payment plans also. So what happens that you have the installments which are yet to pay. You can pay those installments after renting it on short-term, on long-term rentals, whatever goes best in that area. Your investment is safe. Your property is paying back you capital appreciation of 25%. You are getting the highest ROI from 8 to 12, 15% for short term, and your state is crime free. You are getting the best luxuries of your life. So what else you want? Just go ahead and invest in property. Make your investment safe. This is the best time to invest in Dubai real estate, because based on certain studies, it is expected that in coming years, its rents and its prices of properties are going to increase by 20 to 25% every year. So just get your right decision on the right time and contact us for further details of available projects from many developers. We have inventory of the projects which are going to launch: townhouses, villas, studios, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom and 3 bedroom luxury apartments, resort buildings at Arjan, JVC, JVT, Business Bay, Marina. So whatever capital you have, just come in contact with me and I will guide you for the best option within your budget and what are the best properties available at that time. We have off-plan properties from various developers, about 90 plus developers inventory for off-plan projects and completed projects we have with us, like Danube, Emaar, Dika, Avalon, The Mark and Electra, a Cube developer, Aqua developer, Azizi, and lot and more. And each and every building which is launching almost every week has extraordinary amenities in it. So just don't miss the right time to invest in Dubai real estate. Thank you so much. I'm Saima from Falcon Premier Real Estate.